once expected to become the main armored personnel carrier of the Russian army, the BTR-90 soon fell into oblivion. The Vigor was judged to not fully meet the combat requirements. In October 2011, the Ministry of Defense refused to buy the BTR-90 and did not include them in the list of the State Program of Armament until 2020, and there are no plans to export the APC either. The BTR-90, also known as GAZ-5923, was developed by the Arzamas manufacturing plant, a subsidiary of GAZ, since the early 1990s, with the ambition to replace the BTR-80 series in service with the armed forces of the Russian Federation. The Vigor was built to equip mechanized infantry units, Marines to provide powerful firepower, transport troops, scout, and patrol. The prototype was completed and tested in 1994. The BTR-90 is a larger version of the BTR-80 Vigor, fitted with a BMP-2 turret. Armor protection is improved compared with the BTR-80, giving protection from 14.5mm projectiles over the frontal arc. It is armed with a 2A42 30mm autocannon, a Coaxial 7.62mm PKT machine gun, an AT-5 Spandura ATGM, as well as an AGS-17D 30mm automatic grenade launcher. The BTR-90 has a pointed nose, somewhat similar to that of the LAV-25. The hull is made of welded steel armor plate and is slightly larger and higher than the BTR-80. A turbocharged, liquid-cooled, multi-fuel diesel engine is used, developing 510 horsepower. The Vigor has 8-wheel drive and has an automatic reversible hydro-mechanical transmission, which is capable of providing different speeds to each side of the Vigor. It has duplicated electrical and compressed air engine start systems. The wheels are utilized with independent torsion bar suspension, and the traverse arms have high-capability telescopic hydraulic shock absorbers. The commander and gunner are accommodated in a fighting compartment in the turret. The driver is located somewhat to the middle of the hull, just in front of the turret. The troop compartment is located behind the driver's position and the turret. The engine compartment is at the rear of the hull. Hatches are provided on the top of the turret and hull, and side doors are available on the middle of the Vigor. Development commenced in the early 1990s, with the first prototype completed and displayed to the public in 1994. Subsequently, the Russian army chose to assemble a large number of BTR-82A. The combat effectiveness has already increased significantly, and it is derived from the BTR-80. The development cost for BTR-82A is omitted, and the production cost is cheaper, making the BTR-90 program to be suspended.